Baby, tell me your story again. Dali.
Sally dun see the eggs at the octopan.
The octopan?
And they Sally dun get it, and it was full of sides.
And what else? How big
They're
is...
singing and they hatch.
They're singing and hatch?
Yes.
How do they hatch?
They broke the eggshell.
They break.
Yes, they break the eggshell.
Pero do they have tuka? They don't. Only arms?
Yes. Is it?
It's a clear sunny day. Remember at school? There's only the sun. This is a sunny day. What else did you learn in school? Baby. What else?
Like the numbers,
Numbers?
shapes, all of it, and
And
alphabet.
how about today?
Yes. Shit. Yes. And make the vegetable grown up in that. And vegetables, and when they grow up, they swim. And that and the still swimming at the octopan.
Octopod. Do you have a garden in school? Do you have a garden in school?
Yes.
Yes.
Asan na si nanay?
Lapit na.